Personality does not develop from a single source. It emerges from a continuous interaction between biological predispositions and environmental experiences. This interaction begins early in life and continues across the lifespan, shaping how an individual thinks, feels, and behaves. On the biological side, genetic inheritance provides the initial blueprint. Traits such as emotional reactivity, impulsivity, and baseline temperament have heritable components. These traits influence how a child responds to the world even before significant learning occurs. Brain structure and neurochemistry also play a role. Variations in neurotransmitter systems, especially those involving serotonin and dopamine, affect mood regulation, reward sensitivity, and stress responses. Hormonal systems and physiological reactivity further contribute to stable personality tendencies, particularly in relation to anxiety, aggression, and resilience. Temperament is one of the earliest observable expressions of nature. Some children are naturally more adaptable and easygoing, while others are more sensitive or difficult to soothe. These early differences influence how caregivers respond to the child, which then begins a feedback loop between biology and environment. On the environmental side, personality is shaped through repeated interactions with caregivers, peers, and broader social systems. The family environment is especially influential in early development. Parenting style, attachment security, and emotional climate determine how a child learns to understand and regulate internal experiences. Consistent validation and structure promote emotional stability and a coherent sense of self, whereas inconsistency, neglect, or harshness can lead to maladaptive patterns. As the child grows, peer relationships become increasingly important. Social acceptance, rejection, and group dynamics contribute to self-esteem, identity formation, and interpersonal style. Cultural and societal factors also shape personality by defining norms, values, and expectations. These influence how traits are expressed and whether certain behaviors are reinforced or discouraged. Life experiences act as critical shaping forces. Education, achievements, failures, trauma, and major transitions can modify personality trajectories. Repeated exposure to stress or adversity may increase vulnerability to maladaptive traits, while supportive experiences can enhance resilience and adaptive functioning. The most important concept is that nature and nurture do not operate independently. They interact continuously through processes such as gene-environment interaction and epigenetic modulation. Genetic predispositions may only manifest under certain environmental conditions, and environmental influences can alter gene expression without changing the underlying DNA sequence. This explains why individuals with similar genetic backgrounds can develop very different personalities in different contexts. Learning mechanisms further integrate these influences. Through conditioning, modeling, and reinforcement, behaviors are shaped and stabilized over time. What is rewarded tends to persist, and what is punished or ignored tends to diminish. Over repeated cycles, these patterns consolidate into stable personality traits. Personality development is therefore best understood as a dynamic system rather than a fixed outcome. Biological factors set the range of possible responses, while environmental factors determine how those potentials are expressed, modified, or suppressed. The key point is that personality is not determined solely by genetics or environment. It is the result of their ongoing interaction across development, where predispositions meet experience to produce the unique psychological profile of an individual.